Hello dear friends, today we are discussing some questions based on KTET question paper December 2017. It's a question bank. So we can move on to the first question. Eminent Victorians is a book authored by option A. Wyndham Lewis, Muriel Spark, Matthew Arnold, Lytton Strachey. The right answer is Lytton Strachey. Eminent Victorians is a book written by Lytton Strachey. The next question, based on the options, Memento Mori is a novel by the Scottish author Muriel Spark. Meaning of the title is Remember You Must Die. Another famous novel is The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie is another famous novel. Then Lizzie is the protagonist of Muriel Spark's which novel? It's Driver's Seat, and it is shortlisted for Man Booker Prize. Culture and Anarchy and Essays in Criticism was written by Culture and Anarchy and Essays in Criticism. The famous works were written by Matthew Arnold. The next question, Vorticism was a London-based modernist art movement inspired by Cubism. It was founded by Wyndham Lewis. Next question, An Apology for Poetry is a work of literary criticism by Sir Philip Sidney. An Apology for Poetry is a work of literary criticism by Sir Philip Sidney. The School of Abuse was written by Stephen Guzan. Sidney, The School of Abuse was dedicated to Sir Philip Sidney. That's why he wrote An Apology for Poetry. To be or not to be, that's the question. Identify the work and the author. The answer of this question is Shakespeare's Hamlet. To be or not to be. The words is taken from Shakespeare's Hamlet. Next question. All the words is a stage and all the men and women merely players. It's taken from As You Like It by Shakespeare. Beware of the Ides of March. It's written by, these are taken from Julius Caesar. The next question, brevity is the soul of wit. These are the words by Polonius in Hamlet. Brevity is the soul of wit was by Polonius in Hamlet. How sharper than serpent's tooth is to have a thankless child. These are the words uttered by King Lear in King Lear. Nothing will come of nothing. Nothing will come of nothing is taken from King Lear by Shakespeare. Next famous line, fair is foul and foul is fair. It's taken from Macbeth. The witches are uttering these lines. The next question, Pre-Raphaelitic Brotherhood was formed in the year 1848. It was formed in the year 1848. And who was the founders of this PRB, Pre-Raphaelitic Brotherhood? Is D.G. Rossetti, William Holman Hunt, Millais are the founders of Pre-Raphaelitic movement or Pre-Raphaelitic Brotherhood. The periodical published by PRB, the Germ, it's a famous or it's a very important question. The periodical published by PRB is Germ. Their articles appeared in this Germ, the Germ. Next question. My Last Duchess is a poem written by. My Last Duchess is a work by Robert Browning. It's a dramatic monologue, and dramatic monologue was perfected by Robert Browning. The famous Works of Robert Browning are Men and Women, The Ring and the Book. Next question. How Do I Love Thee and Aurora Lee are the works by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. She is a wife of Robert Browning. My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue by Browning. The meeting was cancelled without prior information. Find out the phrasal verb that can be replaced. The word underlined. Cancelled, called off. So now we are going to discuss the options. Important questions. In Memoriam of A.H.H. was an elegy on the death of Arthur Hallam was written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Tennyson was there in the option. So we are discussing these important questions. Who became the poet laureate after Wordsworth? Who became the poet laureate after Wordsworth? This is Alfred Lord Tennyson. Lotus Eaters and Ulysses are the poems written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. The Great Gatsby and Tender is Night are the novels written by Scott Fitzgerald. So, the next question. Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam was the title of Fitzgerald's translation of Omar Khayyam. It's often asked in various exams. Next question. Terrible Beauty is Born is associated with W.B. Yeats, and he used these lines. Terrible Beauty is Born he uses in his work Easter 1916. He uses the word in Easter 1916. He uses the line Terrible Beauty is Born in Easter 1916. The summary of W.B. Yeats was written by W.H. Auden. The Wasteland is a poem written by T.S. Eliot, and it was published in the year 1922. The Wasteland was dedicated to Ezra Pound. T.S. Eliot received Nobel Prize in the year 1948. Murder in the Cathedral, 1935, is a words drama by T.S. Eliot, portrays the assassination of Archbishop Thomas Becket during the reign of Henry II in 1170. Archbishop, The Murder in the Cathedral is a verse play in 1935, and it was written by T.S. Eliot, and it portrays the assassination of Thomas Becket. Archbishop Thomas Becket happened during the reign of Henry II in the year 1170. Tradition and Individual Talent and The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock are works by. These are famous works by T.S. Eliot. In which work of T.S. Eliot is associated with the objective correlative? Or in which work T.S. Eliot discusses objective correlative? In his work Hamlet and His Problems. Hugh Sylvain Moberly and the epic poem The Cantos were written by Ezra Pound. Hugh Sylvain Moberly and the epic poem The Cantos were written by Ezra Pound. Then the next question. The Raven is a poem written by Edgar Allan Poe. In this poem, he uses a refrain, nevermore. Keep that in mind. The next question. Who among the following was a transcendentalist? Edgar Allan Poe, Ralph Waldo Emerson, Emily Dickinson, William Faulkner. These are the famous figures from American literature. So, Allan Poe, Ralph Waldo Emerson, Emily Dickinson, William Faulkner. The right answer is Ralph Waldo Emerson. Emerson, option B is the right answer. So, we are going to discuss William Faulkner and Emily Dickinson. Before that, what is a transcendentalist movement? In the 19th century, it's a 19th century movement in America, and the famous figures of this are Emerson, Thoreau, Walt Whitman, Margaret Fuller. These are the leading members of this group. Emerson, Thoreau, Walt Whitman, Margaret Fuller, and Emerson. These are the leading members of this group. And the Dial was their magazine. The Germ was the magazine of PRB. Then Dial is the magazine of Transcendentalist group. So keep that in mind. The American Scholar was a speech by whom? It's a famous speech by Emerson. It's a speech. The American Scholar was a speech made by Emerson. Self-Reliance, The Oversoul are the other works of Emerson. Self-Reliance, The Oversoul are the other works made by or works by Emerson. The next line, next question. Because I could not stop for death is the lines by. Because I could not stop for death is the lines by Emily Dickinson. These are the words of Emily Dickinson. So we are moving on to next question. Absalom and Absalom, The Sound and Fury are the works by William Faulkner. It's a very important question for the NET set and other competitive exams. Absalom and Sound and Fury are the works by William Faulkner. And he received a Nobel Prize in the year 1950. He received a Nobel Prize in the year 1950. The two works of Faulkner which received a Booker Prize is A Fable and Reveries are the two works which received a Booker Prize. A Fable and the Reveries. Yoknapatawpha is a fictional place created by William Faulkner. Just like R.K. Narayan's Malgudi, Hardy's Wessex, Arnold's Pottery Town. Yoknapatawpha is the fictional place created by William Faulkner. Next question. Which of the following novel is written by Herman Melville? Old Man and the Sea, Moby Dick, Farewell to Arms, The Scarlet Letter. The right answer is option B, Moby Dick. Old Man and the Sea was written by Ernest Hemingway. Farewell to Arms is also written by Ernest Hemingway. The Scarlet Letter is written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. So we can discuss the options once again. Is the writer of Moby Dick or The Whale? The full title of Moby Dick is Moby Dick or The Whale. Is written in 1851. Who is the narrator of this novel? The narrator of this novel is Ishmael. Name of the ship in Moby Dick is Pequod. Who is Moby Dick? Moby Dick is a giant sperm whale. It's a giant sperm whale is Moby Dick. Who was going to take a revenge on Moby Dick? Ahab. In the previous voyage, the whale bit off this Ahab's leg at knee. The opening scene of Moby Dick is Call Me Ishmael. The opening sentence of Moby Dick is Call Me Ishmael. Next question. Ernest Hemingway received a Nobel Prize in the year. Ernest Hemingway received a Nobel Prize in the year 1954. He received a Pulitzer Prize for fiction in the year 1953 for the work Old Man and the Sea. Who is the aged fisherman in this novel? Santiago. The name of the fisherman is Santiago. How many days he spent without catching a fish? 84 days. 84 days. A Farewell to Arms, For Whom the Bell Tolls are the other famous novels written by Hemingway, and he committed suicide in 1961. So the next question. Which work of Nathaniel Hawthorne is described as a perfect work of American imagination? The Scarlet Letter. It was the opinion of T.H. Lawrence. A perfect work of American imagination. T.H. Lawrence described this Scarlet Letter of Nathaniel Hawthorne. The full title of the work, The Scarlet Letter, a Romance. Who is the protagonist of the novel? Hester Prynne is the protagonist of the novel, The Scarlet Letter. She is punished for her adultery. Name of her illegitimate daughter, Pearl. Pearl is the name of her daughter. Who is Hester Prynne's husband? Is Roger Chillingworth. And who is Pearl's father? Is Reverend Dimmesdale. Hope you enjoyed all these questions. Thank you.